What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different aside from the shoes. Today we are actually going to be doing a custom tie. I seen, late nights, I get in this rabbit hole of either scrolling on Instagram or on Pinterest, and I seen this tie and it looked pretty cool. So I went to Walmart, bought me a good little black tie. Going to make some cool things out of this tie. So I got some jeans. I'm gonna cut those up. Oh my gosh, I'm literally just going to take some spray adhesive and spray it on my tie. And I'm only spraying this on here just to temporarily hold the fabric in place.
Serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Brought it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like to drive, but he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they make a Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, they all the bills, I'm the good job for real. Before I finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm a little kind of still, I need extra inside the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, they all the bills, I'm the good job for real. Before I finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm a little kind of still, I need extra inside the deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. Free all of the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I shoot a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it work, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, I taught me that way back. Come took it off, I was always talking, stay home when you stay at. Keep the stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you walk with a problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I'll pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills.
I did some minor distressing of the tie. Let me know what you guys think. Should I add more? Should I distress it a little bit more? I'm about to style it for you guys just so you guys can see the vision. All right, y'all, I'm about to model this tie for you. Got my little white shirt. It's a little wrinkly, don't mind it. Don't mind it. See the vision through. See the vision through. Dang, I might wear this.
That's cute. That's fire.
So I wear something like this, y'all. Well, you could throw a little sweater on like this. Okay, can't find it. But you could throw a little hat on. Get you a little bag. Hold on. Work with me. Work with me. Work with me. Yo! Work with me. Hold on. Work with me. The wrinkled shirt throwing it off, I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like y'all getting the fit, like y'all getting the idea Let me know what you guys think of the tie down below. Should I make another one? I don't know. I kind of like it. Like, I'm really digging it. It's different. It was just a black plain tie. Now this, something nice. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Make sure to drop that like, subscribe, share with your friends, your family. As always, stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.